Slide-in campers are the affordable alternative to travel trailers and motorhomes. But like any other camper, there are potential safety issues that you have to address. Slide-in campers, especially the cab-over type, are top-heavy. They cause severe side-to-side sway and can be a highway nightmare on a windy day. Not only that, your pickup is going to squat in the rear, placing undue stress on the truck's suspension. Fortunately, these are problems that the Timbren SES suspension enhancement systems can solve. These severe service kits have been specifically designed to elevate safety for pickups with slide-in campers. While still preventing suspension sag, single convoluted Aeon springs are much more stable and prevent side-to-side sway and roll better than double convoluted solutions. Severe service kits are specifically designed to keep your vehicle level at all times, prevent roll and sway, and give you a safe, comfortable ride no matter where your camping takes you. Timbren SES solutions provide better ride quality, added stability, easy installation, and zero maintenance. And all this is backed by a lifetime warranty and customer satisfaction guarantee. When you're rolling down the road in your slide-in camper, you deserve the safest, smoothest, and most comfortable ride for yourself and your loved ones. Timbren SES takes care of the tough stuff while you focus on the adventure and the memories. To find the Timbren SES Severe Service Kit for your full-size pickup truck, head to Timbren.com.